Welcome back, student. As you know, yesterday I had explained paragraphs number 1 and 2, and I hope you have studied well at home and you have searched some difficult words also from the dictionary, and you also must take care on the word meaning of the paragraphs. Yesterday I had explained how the king wanted to celebrate his 50th birthday party. What he ordered for the special food, for a special feast for his friends and noblemen and for kings, how stewards managed, but also I explained in second paragraph there was a severe storm, very hard, very fast storm, severe storm, very dangerous storm. Due to dangerous storm, no fishermen went into sea for catching fish. In market also fish was not available. In this way, steward returned to the palace and they told to the king, means it may be possible today that your birthday party may be without fish. But what king reacted? Today you see paragraph number 3. What? No fish for the feast? Asked the king in surprise. It is dishonor to give a feast without fish. Tell everyone, I shall offer a very high reward to anyone who dares to go to the sea and catch fish for the feast. So one reaction took place. When steward told all things, what it was happened, he told all things, but the king reacted. He told, no fish for the feast, means there is no any fish for the feast. In market also not available, in the sea also not available, means fishermen didn't go in the sea as catching fish. So how we celebrate, how you celebrate, how I celebrate my birthday party without fish? It is impossible. So you manage at any rate fish. So what he ordered? He told, it is a dishonor to give a feast without fish. He told, without fish, it is a dishonor for a king. Tell everyone. He ordered, tell everyone, as I shall offer a very high reward. What he told? He told to steward that the steward could tell that words to the people, to the subjects of that kingdom. If any person dare to go means that person has courage to go in the storm situation, into the sea and catch the fish, the king will give a very good, a special reward for catching fish. If the such person catch the fish, so he will get a very special reward. So he told to steward, and steward told to the people. So this talk and this type of order is spread out in the whole kingdom. The stewards went to the market with the message of the king. So steward spread out the message of the king in the market also. What happened after that? Who will go to the sea now? Asked the fisherman. Fisherman told, who will go to the sea now? Situation is very dangerous. Situation is not favorable. On this severe storm, who will go to the sea? who will go to there to the sea? The sea is still rough and the waves are rising high. Waves are not low, waves are rising high. The situation is not favorable. The condition is not favorable. The condition is unfavorable. Unfavorable means we can't go there into the sea and we can't use net as catching fish. So the condition is not good. It is so dangerous. Meanwhile, all preparations for the royal feast continued. The banquet hall was finally decorated. Arches were put up in front of the palace. The king's palace was lit with colorful lights, but the king and the officials were said that there was no feast for the feast. In this way, the decorating of the palace, it was continued for the 50th birthday of the king. Preparations were going on. All types of preparations as decorating lights, colorful lights in everywhere. Banquet hall, the banquet hall. I told the banquet hall where the special type of the other types of fruits and things were decorated there as to serve kings, noblemen, or at the time famous or great persons who will come in the party. Arches were put up in the front of the palace. Arches also were put up in the front of palace. And the king's palace was decorated with the colorful lights. But the king and the officials were sad, and because there was no feast for the birthday party, and they were hopeless. They were standing as in the sadly, means they were very sad because that party might be without feast. So it was not good for the king. Just then, a fisherman came to the palace carrying a big fish in his basket. At the sight of the fish, everyone jumped with joy. When stewards and king and other related officials standing sadly, at the same time, one fisherman came to palace as carrying big fish. In his hand, it was big fish. At the sight of the fish, everyone jumped with joy. When that fisherman came into the palace, and stewards, officials, and king saw that fisherman, they jumped joyfully. They are very happy to see the fish. "My lord," said the fisherman, "my lord, O king, my lord, O king, I have brought this fish for the feast." The king was delighted. "You have saved my honor. I shall reward you for doing me this great favor. I shall pay whatever price you ask," said the king. In this way, when fishermen came into the palace with fish, all were very happy. King told, "I will give you special reward, whatever you want." So in this way, the king was delighted. He was very happy, and he told to give to fishermen a special reward. After that, you prepare what I taught today, the paragraph, and also you can find out some words meaning, difficult words meaning from the dictionary, and you can understand. You can watch the video to understand the paragraphs. So you can see, as in summary, king decided to celebrate his 15th birthday party. After that, he invited two noblemen and neighboring kings. After that, he told to the stewards to manage the special dish. As the special dish was fish, he ordered to manage fish. Steward went to manage to fish, but there was no fish because due to severe storm. No fishermen went into the sea as catching fish. In market also, fish was not available. In this way, officials and kings and stewards all were very sad. When they were standing sadly, at the same time one fisherman came into the palace, and in his hand it was a big fish. As seeing the big fish, they were very happy. The king delighted. He was very happy to see the big fish. He told to fisherman that he will give a special reward to the fisherman for this fish. So prepare today this, and tomorrow I will explain page number 41, other paragraph on page number 41. Okay, thank you.